everyone. My name is Naveen Kumar. In our last class, we began the topic parts of speech and we discussed the topics noun, pronoun, and here is the topic verb, and we have discussed about we forms, do forms, and have forms. Now in this class, we are going to talk about modals related to the topic verb. Okay. So what are modals and what are the uses of modals? In this topic, we are going to talk about the uses of modals and what are modals. So here are few modals in English language which we use in our daily or generally communication, like may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would, etc. These are all modals. What are the uses of modals, or why do we use modals in English language? So here are few examples how we use modals in our daily communication or in English language, right? So first, we use modals to ask or take permission. If you want to enter into the class, or if you want to enter into the chamber of your officer or official, there you have to take the permission of your teacher or your superior. So then you have to use modals. So how can you take permission? May I come in? Or may I come in, sir? May I come in, madam? So we use modals to ask or take permissions. If you want to use my mobile, how can you ask, can I use your mobile please? Or can I use your mobile? So here in these two cases, you have used modals to take or ask permission of someone. Next one, possibilities. Of course, we use modals to express possibilities. Here, the sky is very cloudy. That means it may be rain today. It may rain today. So here I have used may to express possibility. It may rain today. That means there is a chance to rain today. So if you want to express possibilities, you can use modals. Next one, abilities or capacities. So if you want to express your ability, there you can use modals. I can speak English. This is my ability. My sister can play the violin. That is her ability. So if you want to say, or if you want to talk about your or someone's abilities, there you can use modals. And last one, you can make questions by using modals. How? Can you speak English? This is a question. This is a question. Can you speak English? So here we have different types of uses of modals. We can ask permissions or we can take permissions, and we can express possibilities. We can express our abilities, and we can make questions by using modals. This is a short topic, but it is a very important topic in English language to learn. So this is about modals. Okay, so we will meet in our next class. Thank you so much for listening to my class. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you so much.